So before this video gets started, if you are an Uber driver, if you already signed up for Uber and you forgot to use a referral code, you didn't know anybody, or you didn't watch our videos, and if you already signed up for Uber, maybe you just signed up, or maybe you signed up a while ago and you never did use a referral code, you can still get your bonus. You can still get your referral bonus. I know a lot of people don't know that, or when I tell them, they're like, wow, then I had no idea. And right now, guys, because of everything that's going on, it is better time than ever to sign up or to apply the referral code. It literally is 8 steps. The instructions are down below. It's super easy. We don't need any of your info. You just apply our info. Again, it's super easy. This is the Rideshare Hub. Take advantage of this. It could be $1,000, could be $1,500. It might only be $100, but still, I could use that money right now, and I'm sure you can too. So go ahead. It's the sign up bonus for Uber. The instructions are down below. It's super easy, super simple. Okay, I just wanted to tell you guys. Now let's get on to the video. All right, what's up everyone? How's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan, and thank you so much for coming by. Sorry, I just turned my car on because it was getting a little warm out here. It is so hot where I live. Well, it's not that hot. It's maybe about 60, 70 degrees. It was actually kind of cold for us, so I'm really looking forward to the summer. As you can tell, I'm getting a little tanner out here. So I actually did get a little sunburnt the other day. Huge news, guys. I'm gonna juice cleanse. No, I'm just kidding. Huge news. Lyft has just launched a new way for drivers to increase earnings, to make more money during this downtime. Lyft knows that earnings are down. Uber does too, but Uber has Uber Eats. You know, they'll be. I mean, their orders are raking in. Uber. You think Uber's hurting on cash right now, guys? They are raking in cash, baby. Uber is boom. Uber's skyrocketing because they have so many Uber Eats orders coming in. Because everyone's at home ordering food. Uber is not hurting. Uber is chilling. If not, they're making more money right now. Because we all know Uber makes a lot of money on Uber Eats orders. Uber Eats drivers are not making bank like Uber drivers are. And you guys heard my last argument video. If you haven't, definitely check that out. Why Uber is not ending. You should watch that video because I explained this a lot. I'm not going to get into all the video, but with Uber, basically Uber is going to grow at the end of all of this. They're growing right now. Their Uber driver activity and passenger activity is down, but they're slowly getting more and more and more customers through Uber Eats, while Lyft is down completely. Lyft is pretty much non-existent. Well, they're trying to, which I'm going to talk about in the video, but essentially Uber just scraping up tons of customers that have never used Uber before through Uber Eats. And so at the end of all this, when, you know, people are taking rides again, they're gonna go with Uber because they're used to using Uber Eats. Like, oh my gosh, you guys think, oh yeah, good, Uber deserves this. Ha! Uber's growing. Uber's getting a lot bigger with all this, in my opinion. That's how I see it. So what is Lyft trying to do? Lyft's like, oh, Uber's still making money through Uber Eats and Uber Freight. Uber Freight is doing a lot of big things too, because they're delivering, you know, packaged products to stores and all that stuff still. But what was I saying? With Lyft though, Lyft is like, we got to make some money too. So we're going to talk about that, how you as a driver, even if you don't work for Lyft yet, well, you do have to already be a driver, sorry. But even if you're not an active driver, you can still sign up to do this. And I'm going to show you guys how right now. Yeah, before I do get into that, I'm just going to talk about a couple of different ways you can still make money right now if you're hurting for money. Number one, Donald Trump just signed this US stimulus bill, how to get $1,200. I already made a video on that, so go check it out. I'm not going to talk about it all here, but basically they go off your taxes for 2018 or 2019. Well, I wouldn't say most, but a good handful of people still haven't filed taxes for 2019. because they push back the deadline. So if you haven't, they're gonna go off your 2018 taxes. So you could get $1,200 with that or more, depending on your family size and your income. Well, on your income, if you make over 99 grand a year, then you know you're kind of screwed. But for most people, you'll get some money. Secondly is food delivery. Food delivery apps are doing really big right now. Like I said, Uber Eats, DoorDash, you got Postmates, Caviar, Grubhub. Those are the main ones. What are you doing? What are you doing with that? You're going to restaurants, picking up food and delivering them to people's homes. Mostly people's homes right now. People don't want to go to restaurants. People don't even want to go do pickup. I certainly don't want to do pickup. I don't even want to get food ordered. That's how strict I am. I don't want somebody touching my food or there's just too much risk. So I'm cooking all my own food. I'm cooking every single meal. And obviously doing my juice cleanse. Well, my juices. This is my citrus one. It's pretty dang good. Highly recommend Pressed. This video is not sponsored by Pressed, but hey, check it out. I recommend it. I'm enjoying it so far. So you can definitely deliver food and make money that way. What will happen, what you'll find is that a lot of places are closed right now, restaurants. So sometimes you'll get an order from a restaurant that's closed, and you'll still make, I think you get like $5 fee if you go there, $5 bonus if you go there and it's closed. So you will still get paid. You won't even have to deliver the food. Another one is, another thing with food delivery is that I would recommend wearing gloves because you don't want to risk getting contaminated packaging when people are handling the packaging. The next one, you can also make money doing grocery delivery. Instacart is big. They're hiring 300,000 shoppers over the next 3 months. They came out with a statement and said that, so they're looking for shoppers ASAP to go out and do grocery delivery. So I don't know where you are, but I know over here is that a lot of the stores are pretty much all restocked now, so you won't have to like run out of items. I know Steph On The Pedal she told me that she was waiting in line to do her Instacart deliveries. So it depends on where you are in the world. If you want to do that, you definitely can and make some good money with it too. Elias and I went out and made 24 bucks an hour doing Instacart, over $100 in one day, and we only did it for maybe 6 hours, and we took many breaks. The other thing you can do is work for one of these big companies that's just hiring tons of people, like Amazon, Walmart, CVS. All those companies are hiring tons and tons of people to keep up with demand. Amazon especially, delivery drivers, warehouse workers, etc. You can get a job that way. But what about Lyft? What is Lyft doing to get people to work? So here we go. I'm going to pull up the screenshot here so you guys can read along with me. But here is what they said. You can find this in the driver app as well. It's called Lyft Up Task Force. So here we go. How is Lyft strengthening driver earnings? While ride demand is temporarily down, we're actively expanding our services to include delivery partnerships with healthcare, government, and businesses to create new opportunities for drivers who are interested and able to drive. In order to strengthen earning opportunities, my voice is cracked. I've been talking to you guys a lot. For current Lyft drivers, we're temporarily pausing onboarding of new drivers in regions most impacted. So in some areas, they are no longer accepting new driver applications, which Uber's like, bro, we need more drivers. We need more people doing Uber Eats. And Lyft is like, no, we don't even have any riders, so, don't sign up with us. Uber's gonna make bank, guys. And Uber's CEO said he already has $10 billion in cash in liquidity for with the company, so that they're gonna be fine. But Lyft, look at this, they're scrambling. They go, we are also communicating to legislators that our priority and stimulus, I don't have a handle in here, priority and stimulus, that specifically assists drivers, other workers, people who are self-employed, and small businesses. Learn more here. So you can click there if you want to learn more. This is in your app too, guys, so you guys can check this out in your driver updates section. As you can see at the top there. It says, read more about our commitment to drivers and a letter from our co-founders here. Maybe you guys have seen that letter, maybe you haven't. I'll just go, it's the Lyft up. Well, oh, was that it? Here we go, community update. Yeah, there you go. It's supporting delivery of medical supplies and providing access to necessary medical transportation, especially low-income individuals. So like taking people to the doctor, delivering medical supplies, food. I mean, they'll set you up and tell you what to do. But yeah, that's it, guys. That's how to make more money with Lyft. That's how Lyft is increasing driver earnings. Thank you all for watching. Have a good day. Stay safe and healthy. Bye.